Okay.
Hello guys, now we are starting to change the display. Samsung A9 2018 old model. Look at the display. First of all, you have to clean the surface, bottom of handset. With normal cotton. Use little bit of thinner or IPA. You have to remove all the some glue and dots for a new display safety. After cleaning the handset, you must have to check the display. Before you glue the display, first of all you have to check it, and then insert the main MPC, connect with the display, and now we are going to start the model. Now connect the other side, back side of the handset to start the handset. Plug all the removed clips and let's on handset. I think the battery is drained. We are connecting a new charger. No, display is not working. Again, remove the back side of display. आ जाता बोला।
एक बार डिस्प्ले क्लिक थोड़ा सा डायरेक्ट शॉट कर लीजिए ना।
Now again we are going to start the handset. And look, the first look of display. It taking some few seconds to on complete. Now let's see the first look. Open pattern. Look at the brightness. It seems good, look good, work proper. Okay. Display working properly. Now we are going to fix the display. Okay guys, thanks for watching.